Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 3700 series all-in-one printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to locate or search for HP DeskJet 3700 drivers. Best result should come back with a support.hp.com website here that says HP DeskJet 3700 all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page and you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and select download for that. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file. It should be signed by a verified publisher, HP Inc. You want to select yes if you receive a user account control prompt on that. And then just let this install. And if you're using a wired or wireless based connection, you may need to make a different selection choice based on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.